How to block someone from seeing your post on Instagram without blocking them. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can block someone from seeing your post on Instagram without actually blocking them. Now to do so, first open up the Instagram app and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then head into three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you head into settings and privacy, and on settings and privacy, if you scroll down below under how others can interact with you, you can see the option restricted. If you don't find this here, you can always search it from the search bar and head into restricted. Now once you're searching for the username, now if you tap on learn how it works, you can see it will protect yourself from unwanted interactions. It will review their comments. Only you and the user will be able to view if they make any comments into your post, and it will hide your activity status to them, and it will hide your post to them too. Now simply search for the user that you want to restrict and then tap on the restrict and they'll be restricted. So this way you can block someone from seeing your post on Instagram without blocking them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.